staring at the aquarium with those colorful fish. It's like I'm in an amusement park, colorful. I don't think of problems. Actually, this aquarium is in the clinic where we went today with my boss. It's like it make me calmer, and the colorful fish make me happy. In life, we always need to choose to be happy. And I love seeing them, so colorful. It seems like that it helps me to relax a little bit. I love them. In life, we cannot say no with the problem. We just need to solve it if we can. And I always want to be happy. We need to think of something that makes us happy. And this aquarium with the colorful fishes, I love them. I love to see them. I'm staring at them. Thank you all for watching, and thank you for the support.